Welcome to our video on breaking down the elements of a balanced workout. In this video, we'll explore what makes a workout balanced and how you can create one to achieve your fitness goals. You'll learn the key elements of a balanced workout and practical tips to incorporate them into your routine. Stay with us until the end for an easy-to-follow, quick, actionable cheat sheet. Understanding a balanced workout. A balanced workout is essential for overall health and fitness. It ensures that all major muscle groups are trained evenly, preventing imbalances and injuries. A well-rounded workout improves strength, endurance, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. A balanced workout incorporates various types of exercises, each targeting different aspects of fitness. Now, let's break down the key elements of a balanced workout. Cardiovascular exercises. Cardiovascular exercises are crucial for heart health and overall endurance. These exercises include activities like running, cycling, swimming, and aerobics. Cardio workouts increase your heart rate, improving blood circulation and lung capacity. Aim to include at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity cardio per week. If you're new to cardio, start with low-impact activities like walking or swimming, and gradually increase the intensity. Examples of effective cardio workouts. There are various forms of cardio exercises you can incorporate into your workout routine. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a popular choice, involving short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest. This method not only boosts cardiovascular health but also burns a significant number of calories in a short amount of time. Alternatively, steady-state cardio, such as jogging or cycling at a moderate pace, can be effective for building endurance and burning calories over a longer duration. Strength training. Strength training is vital for building muscle mass and bone density. It involves using resistance to strengthen and tone muscles. Strength training can include weightlifting, body weight exercises, and the use of resistance bands. Focus on training all major muscle groups, including the legs, back, chest, arms, and core. Aim for at least 2 sessions of strength training per week, ensuring each session targets different muscle groups. Start with lighter weights or resistance and gradually increase as your strength improves. Benefits of strength training. Strength training offers numerous benefits beyond just muscle growth. It enhances your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories even at rest. Additionally, it helps improve posture, reduce the risk of injury, and increase overall functional fitness, making everyday activities easier to perform. By incorporating compound movements, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, you can work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing your workout efficiency. Flexibility and stretching. Flexibility is a key component of overall fitness. It improves your range of motion, reduces the risk of injuries, and enhances muscle coordination. Incorporate stretching exercises such as static stretching, dynamic stretching, and yoga into your routine. Aim to stretch all major muscle groups after every workout, holding each stretch for 15-30 seconds. Consistent stretching can lead to better posture, improved circulation, and reduced muscle tension. Incorporating yoga for flexibility. Yoga is an excellent way to enhance flexibility while also promoting mental well-being. Poses like downward dog, child's pose, and the Cobra stretch target various muscle groups and help lengthen tight muscles. Incorporating a few minutes of yoga into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in flexibility and overall relaxation. Additionally, yoga can help improve balance, strength, and coordination, making it a comprehensive addition to your fitness regimen. Balance and stability. Balance and stability exercises help improve coordination and prevent falls. These exercises are especially important as we age, but beneficial for all ages. Include exercises like single leg stands, balance ball exercises, and Tai Chi in your routine. Practicing balance exercises a few times a week can significantly improve your overall stability. Balance training also enhances your body's ability to react to unexpected changes in position, reducing the risk of injury. Simple balance exercises to try. There are various simple balance exercises you can incorporate into your routine. For instance, the single leg stand involves standing on one leg for a set period while maintaining proper posture. As you progress, you can increase the difficulty by closing your eyes or standing on an unstable surface. Another effective exercise is the heel-to-toe walk, which involves walking in a straight line, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot. These exercises can be performed anywhere and require no special equipment. Core strengthening. A strong core is essential for stability and support. Core exercises target the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, and pelvis. Effective core exercises include planks, bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and mountain climbers. Incorporate core exercises into your routine at least 2-3 times a week for optimal results. A strong core not only improves your physical performance, but also helps alleviate back pain and improve posture. Advanced core exercises for a stronger core. As you build core strength, you can incorporate more advanced exercises into your routine. For example, the hanging leg raise is an effective exercise for targeting the lower abs. Another challenging exercise is the ab wheel rollout, which engages multiple muscle groups in the core. Ensure you perform these exercises with proper form to avoid injury and maximize their effectiveness. Gradually increase the intensity and complexity of your core workouts as you become stronger. Rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are vital components of a balanced workout. Allowing your body to recover helps prevent injuries and promotes muscle growth. Include rest days in your weekly workout plan and listen to your body's signals. Ensure you get adequate sleep, as it is crucial for recovery and overall health. Recovery techniques like foam rolling and stretching can also aid in muscle repair and reduce soreness. Importance of sleep in recovery. Adequate sleep is essential for optimal recovery and performance. During sleep, your body repairs muscle tissue and replenishes energy stores. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your fitness goals. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. Additionally, avoid consuming caffeine or engaging in stimulating activities close to bedtime, as these can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Creating a balanced workout plan. Now, let's discuss how to create a balanced workout plan. Assess your fitness level. Evaluate your current fitness level and set realistic goals. This will help you design a workout plan that meets your needs. Schedule your workouts. Plan your workouts for the week, ensuring you include all the key elements: cardio, strength training, flexibility, balance, and core exercises. Start slowly. If you're new to exercise, start with shorter, less intense workouts and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Mix it up. Variety is key to preventing boredom and plateaus. Incorporate different exercises and change your routine regularly. Stay consistent. Consistency is crucial for seeing results. Stick to your workout plan and make adjustments as needed. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Warm up and cool down. Always include warm-up and cool-down sessions. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water. Listen to your body. Avoid overtraining. Use proper form. Prevent injuries with correct form. Fuel your body. Eat a balanced diet. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal. Rest. Include rest days. Stay positive. Celebrate your progress. Set realistic goals. Achievable goals keep you motivated. Seek professional guidance. Work with a personal trainer. By incorporating these elements into your workout routine, you can achieve a balanced and effective fitness regimen. A balanced workout not only improves your physical health, but also enhances your mental well-being. Stay active, stay healthy, and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded exercise routine. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.